gluten-free.
Oh, all right. No, that's all good then. Thanks, man.
Sorry, not at the moment.
Oh, that's all right. Would you like to try Portuguese pumpkin donut? No?
Sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion. Just my kind of thing. Keep it on repeat. Tested by the potion. Loving this devotion. Live it up, live it up, live it up, sweet emotion.
Hello, my people. Today, we're doing another recipe. Now, you guys might be familiar with Portuguese desserts, such as your pastel de nata, Portuguese custard tart, your bollard berlin, which is your custard donut. But I bet you's never heard of the elusive, the secret pumpkin donut. This recipe is so secretive that it was to be believed that Vasco da Gama's reason to sail around Africa, the famous Portuguese explorer, was to smuggle this out of the country. Now, I guarantee you, once I share this recipe with you, most likely have the Portuguese mafia after me. Now, this recipe, it's not complicated. It's only been passed down from generation to generation and been kept a well-kept secret. This traditional recipe is generally only passed down from family to family. It's highly secretive by the Portuguese, and you're told from a very young age to keep this recipe secret. But guys, out of my own good will and conscience, I have to share this recipe with the world. It can not only be kept by the Portuguese, we must share it far and wide. I will share with you today step-by-step instructions on how to replicate this recipe and to share with the world. Gather the finest ingredients you can possibly get. This is the key to this Portuguese donut. The first thing you need to do is hunt the perfect specimen of pumpkin. I spotted one. We missed! I've spotted one. Quickly, run, 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 run! We got him! We got him! We got the pumpkin! I've had to wait hours, patiently waiting for this chicken to lay us the perfect egg.
Isn't that a rooster?
Oh, he identifies as a hen! Okay, all jokes aside, this is actually a very, very simple recipe to make, and they are delicious. And if you stay till the end, we have a little bit of something special, something different, and so just stick with us if you can. Okay, the first step is basically grab your pumpkin. I happen to have pumpkins growing in my yard, so I was fortunate enough to use fresh pumpkins. And basically grab your pumpkins, boil them up, cut them up into small pieces. They're soft, basically strain them out. For the best results is if you actually strain your pumpkins overnight. But at least a couple of hours, just strain all the water out of it before you use it in your recipe. Now, I will be giving you amounts. This amount was actually nearly double the amount that I'm going to give you the basic recipe for, but I will have the amounts up on the screen. But you start off with, add your sugar, you then add your eggs, add your alcohol. Now, the traditional alcohol that we use is a thing called firewater or aguardente. But just, you can use any alcohol, any spirits that of your liking. Now, give this all a good mix. Your hands is the best method. Just squish the pumpkin and yeah, just give it a good mix. Now it's time to start adding your flour. So add a portion of your flour, give that a good mix. Now add the rest and just make sure that flour is mixed in, and like I said, with your hands is probably the best way. Give that all a good mix and basically just let the mixture set for, or let it sit for, I don't know, a couple of hours should be enough. Just everything just sort of bind, the alcohol to sort of blend in. Before we start the frying process, just get your mixture of sugar and cinnamon. So just get some sugar, just normal plain sugar, add your cinnamon. When it's a nice, look, the amounts is just when it's a nice golden brown colour, it's to taste, so how much cinnamon you want in with your sugar. It's pretty straightforward, but get that ready first. Now get your frying station ready. Basically get a scoop from of the mixture, drop it into the hot oil, and basically just fry them. Get it golden on one side and then flip them over, golden on the other side. When they're nice and brown, you're done. Now I told you I had something special for you at the end. We've actually taken our donuts out into the public. Now we're at our local place in Druin, and let's just see what happens. A Portuguese donut, let us know what you think. Just try one, they're nice.
Oh, Portuguese donut.
Yeah,
the little
go
ones,
for
I'm
it.
not overly hungry.
Yeah. All right, these are Portuguese donuts.
Yeah.
Go for it. Good. All right. Enjoy. Portuguese donut.
Can I?
Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Let me know what you think. Portuguese donut. Let us know what you think. Just want your honest opinion. Let us know your opinion.
So soft.
Yeah. Just grab whichever one you want.
Lovely. Oh, yum.
Good?
It's okay.
Okay.
Not wonderful for me.
Okay, fair enough.
I like a dry.
Oh, fair enough.
Thank you though.
No worries.
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
What do you think?
They're not.
Good?
Not bad, man.
What do you reckon the main ingredient is?
Yeah, sure.
Try it. It's a Portuguese donut.
I'll just try and find a little one.
Yeah, whatever, man.
It's pretty good.
Good? Oh, sweet. Do you want to...
Just pumpkin.
Oh, I've got the recipe up in about a week. So it's TIAGO Down Under. Let's see.
What's the nose? What's
What can you guess what the main flavour is?
cinnamon?
Yeah, it's got cinnamon.
Is it polenta or something?
It's got pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Actually, a pumpkin donut.
There you go.
Oh, good. Good?
Yes, very
Oh,
nice.
thank you.
Thank you.
No worries. What do you think it's made from? The main ingredient?
Potato?
Nah. Another guess?
I don't know.
Pumpkin. Portuguese pumpkin donut.
What's your YouTube channel?
TIAGO Down Under.
Alright.
All right. Just by guessing.
No idea, mate.
No idea?
I'm trying to think.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
It's actually a Portuguese pumpkin donut.
You're kidding.
Aye. Well, as long as it's good, huh?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Enjoy, man.
My best mate's Portuguese, actually.
All right.
That's beautiful, man.
That's sweet. What do you think the main ingredient is? Can you pick it up?
Not quite.
Pumpkin.
Really?
Yeah.
Not bad.
It's a Portuguese pumpkin donut. Good? No good?
Yeah, it's pretty good, actually.
Sweet. Thanks, man, for that. Nice. What do you think the main ingredient?
Custard.
No. It's a vegetable. I'll give you a clue.
All right, go on.
Yeah, I'll give you a clue. It's a vegetable.
It's a vegetable.
It's a vegetable, yeah. Pumpkin. It's a Portuguese pumpkin donut.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Enjoy it? Oh, good.
I'm more famous.
Yeah, you're going to be famous.
Oh, okay.
You got
Yeah.
what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of